are some of our pastry tools. This particular one is called rolling pin. This is our rolling pin. We use this to roll our dough. Use it to roll our dough for chin-chin, for we also use it for our donut dough. Use it to roll it out before cutting. That's why it's called rolling pin. This also is rolling pin. Use it for our dough. We can also use this particular one for fondants. Roll our fondants. We can use it for dough also. These are cutters. Our cookie cutters. Use it for cookies, chin-chin, anything that we need to cut in pastry. Use it to cut them. We also use it to cut our fondants. It's easy to use to cut our fondants. And we have different types of cookie cutters. This is another type of cookie cutter. You can see that this one is having a kind of design. Use it to make design on our dough. This is also for cookies. After making our shape, we use this to design. We use this to make a design on the cookies or our biscuits. Or anything dough, we can use it to design our dough. We can also use it to design our fondants. It's very easy. It's also useful for fondants. This is ice cream scoop. You can use scoop ice cream. There's a string inside and after taking it, you use it to scoop it out like this. We have different sizes. This is the big size and this is the small size. And they perform the same function. This is brush. This is the small size. We have the big one, we have the medium size. This brush is used to egg wash our dough. Use it to clean our fondants. We use it to clean our chin-chin. Use it to egg wash our meat pie. This also is brush. This is another type of brush. This is used to this is a separator. We use it to separate yolk from the white egg. We use it to separate egg. So we pour it inside. The white one will go down and the yolk will stay. That's why we call it egg separator. All these are some of our decorating tools. These are some of our decorating tools. We have a wide range of decorating tools, but these are some of them. This is just nozzles, pipe, anything you want to pipe. You can also use it to pipe our cookies. Like this, you can use it to pipe out cookies to give us a very nice shape, like the rose shape. This also, you can use it to pipe our cookies. You can use this also to pipe our cookies. All these ones are cookie shapes. We use it to make shapes for different shapes of cookies. We can also use it for fondants. If you want to cut out a love shape of fondants, you can just use it